So let's do a walking meditation where you can clear your mind. Sometimes it can feel like there's so much going on up there. Overthinking, ruminating, like a pressure, like a clenched fist inside your head. So hopefully through this walking meditation, we could begin to let that go. You don't have to walk around and spend your day with a clenched fist inside your mind. So I want to welcome you to the Mindset Change podcast, and I'm Paul Sheppard. I'm going to guide you through a peaceful mindset meditation for about 15 minutes. If you've not yet subscribed, please do, because you really don't want to miss some of the episodes that are coming your way this year. A good place to begin with any type of meditation is the breath. And just begin to connect as you breathe in through the nose and maybe out through the nose or mouth. And repeating that in your own way, at your own pace. Let your intuition guide you to what would help you relax and maybe let go of whatever you're holding on to during this walk. And just begin to broaden your vision so that you're taking in as much as your landscape as possible. As far left and as far right as you possibly can see. And just note, if your mind is naturally wandering, where is it wandering to? Which thoughts are trying to get your attention? And notice, where do these thoughts go when you consciously pay them attention? Do they disappear? If so, where do they go? Or does something else happen? And then bring your attention back to your surroundings. And practice narrowing your focus to something in front of you. And then expanding your focus to take in your full landscape. What happens? When we narrow our focus, we might notice more in the way of thoughts, following them, ruminating on them. And sometimes when we expand our vision, our landscape, it becomes harder to think of anything at all. Something worth playing with when you want to give your mind a break. In Hawaii, this is known as a Hakala, the ancient meditative practice of using peripheral vision to calm the mind. And now just bring your attention to your feet as you're walking, the pressure on whatever surface you are walking on. Grounding you. Just noticing any sensations you feel in your feet as you walk. just noticing the sensations in your hands as you walk. Blood flow, tingling, pressure. What else? And then bringing your attention to your face, your head. What sensations can you feel as you're walking? A breeze, a temperature, something else? What can you hear? How many different sounds are appearing within your awareness and then disappearing? And then come back to your body. Do you get a sense that when you bring your attention to the present moment and you become free from the stories of the mind, stories of the past and future, and if you take a nice big deep breath and just breathe everything out, letting go, giving yourself permission just to let go. How does that feel? And can you imagine that fist inside your mind becoming looser, unclenching? Giving yourself permission to let go. Thank you for doing this meditation with me whilst you're walking. If you like longer ones, then go to the Another Level channel. The link is in the show notes. And If you're continuing walking, I hope you have a wonderful walk. And I'll speak to you again in the very next episode. Have an amazing day.